Hi, boys and girls. We're going to do the 8.2 PMT for today. Remember, you're using your cube method for each problem, and usually it's either division or multiplication. Sometimes it's multi-step. All right, so let's look at the first one. My problem says a chef has 3 blocks of butter. Each block weighs 1 pound. She cuts each block into fourths. How many 1/4 pounds of butter does she have? Again, you could do the methods. We use a model, number line, or you could do the KFC method. So let's look at how to solve this first problem. It says she has 1/4. Oopsie. It says she has 3 blocks of butter. Or you could draw your 3 blocks. And she's going to cut them. She's going to chop them up. So I'm going to divide that into 1/4. If I'm using my model, I could make them into fourths, just like that. If I'm doing my KFC method, remember, I'm going to keep this first number of 3. I'm going to flip the second number. So now this is going to be 4/1. And remember, the whole number is really always over 1. Then I'm going to change the division to multiplication. Now I can simply multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. 12/1 is really 12. And also, if you count the blocks that you separated down here in your model strategy, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so either way, I'm going to come over here, put my answer of 12. Check your answer. Correct. Okay, so the first few ones are relatively simple. I'll go to another one that may be a little bit, not really harder, but multi-step. All right, let's look at this one. I'll do number 5 with you as well. So I read the problem. It's between 2 people. Julie wants to make a drawing that's 1/4 the size of the original drawing. Sahil makes a drawing, sorry about that, makes a drawing that is 1/3 the size of the original. A tree in the original drawing is 36 inches tall. What will the difference be between the heights of the tree in each drawing? So this is going to be multi-step. Let's look at the first operation I'm doing. 1/4 of the original size. So I'm going to take Julie, and she is 1/4. Now remember what that clue word of meant? It always means multiply. So I'm not dividing right now, I'm multiplying. Of the original drawing. Well, what's the original drawing? It told me it's 36 inches tall. So I'm going to solve her. Remember, this 36 is over 1. 1 times 36 is 36. 4 times 1 is 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So Julie's is going to be 9. I don't think you can see that. 9. Now I'm going to go to Sahil. And Sahil, it says she is 1/3 of the original size. Of means multiply again. And what's the original size? It's still 36. So now I'm going to take that 36, that whole number, put it over 1. 1 times 36 is 36. 3 times 1 is 3. 36 divided by 3, that brings me to 12. So I have Julie, who is 9. And I have Sahil, who is 12. But remember, it's asking me for the difference. Difference is a clue word for subtract. So I'm going to take 12 minus 9, and I get the difference of 3. But first I have to see whose drawing is bigger. Well, 12 is the bigger number. So who has 12? Sahil. And how many inches taller is it going to be? 3 inches taller. Okay, so again, some of the rest of the problems will be multi-step like that. Read what